A very good morning, children. Hope all of you fit and healthy and your study is going very well because your examination are coming now and your course is completed now. Science course is completed now and I hope all of you completed your work till chapter 13. Chapter 13 book exercise, explanation and question answer, all things are completed now. So beta, today only we will do the test paper second. Okay, this is the remaining part of this syllabus. Only test paper 2. Test paper 1 is, this is the part of half yearly exam, and test paper 2 is based on some chapters 7 to 13 chapter. So this test paper is very important to point of view for your annual exam. So beta, open your science book. I mention here your science class. This class is science class. Science. And the date is today. Tell me, students. The date is 15th Feb 2020. Three chapters are coming in your annual examination. You know very well. Chapter 10, Water for All. Chapter 11. The chapter 11 name is Sunlight and Shadow. Chapter 12 is not in your syllabus. Then chapter 13, going to the moon, and test paper 2. Okay, this is your syllabus. So beta, open your science book and everyone open page number 104 for test paper 2. This test paper is given in your book. Test paper 2. Open page number 104. Page number 104 in your book. Okay beta, today we will do the test paper number 2, which is based on some chapters that are important for our annual exam. I hope all of you open your book. In test paper 2, question number A is here in your book. Look at here everyone beta. This is 104 page number from your book, and this is the test paper 2. Test paper 2. The question number 1A is here. Look at here. This is question number 1. A. I am starting from question number A. Okay. So everyone do this work in your book. First question is tick the correct option and to fill the blanks. Question number A is tick the correct options. Okay. Question number 1. Question number 1. A house built on mountain side has a option dome shaped roof, B sloping roof, C flat roof, C stilt. Look at here beta, dome shaped. What is the meaning of dome shaped? Dome shaped roof means this type of. The roof is this type of. Look at here. This is a house. Here I am asking about the only roof. This is a house. Look at here. This is a window. Roof. This word. This is a roof. This is a roof. Dome shaped. It means this type of. It is a like a half circle. Okay. In the hilly areas, in the mountain areas, there is too much rain and there is snow falling. That's why on the mountain area, the house roof is slanting. This type of. This type of. Okay. When the rain is coming out, The water flow easily. The ice is flow easily. That's why in mountain area the roof is a sloping. This is a sloping roof. Okay. So your option B will here correct. I'm rub this. Option B, this is sloping roof. Sloping roof. That's why in mountain area the roof is sloping. Okay, here is tick mark. Then move to the question number 2 is we should fly a kite on the option road, it is dangerous. B, playground. C, terrace. D, balcony. We should fly a kite on the playground. When I am told this chapter, safety rules, that time I told you, always we should flying a kite in a playground. Okay, the second answer is B is correct. It is a playground. Okay, this one is a correct. Then move to the third is which of these is not a property of air? Moving around us from this question. Which one is not a property of air? First is air has weight. Yes, when we are measuring now, I am showing you two balloons. One is empty and one is full with air. Okay. And air fills up space. Yes. Air gives shape to the things. Yes. Air can be seen. No, we cannot see the air. Only we can feel the air. That's why B option will here also correct. B, air can be seen. It is a not property of air. That's why you choose now this option. Okay. Then fourth is melting is the process by which. Why which? Here I am giving you example. Your ice cream example. Suppose that when your ice cream is melting, what happened? The ice cream convert into liquid now. Into liquid now. So which option will here correct, beta? Everyone search it. Search it in your book. Option A. Ice change into steam. No. Ice change into water. Ice change into water. Let's see now. B. Steam change into water. No. Water change into ice. No. When the water change into ice, it means it is a freezing. Your right option will here ice. When the ice change into water, this process is called melting. Okay, your C option will here correct. Ice change into water. This one is correct. Okay, then move to the question number B. It's a second part. Give two examples of each of the following. Give two examples. Example of each of following. Each of following. First is hard rock. This chapter is not coming, but I am giving you here example hard rocks. It means that surface rocks. What is the meaning of rocks? Rocks means it is a hard surface. Okay, here you give two example like that: marble, tiles, granite. Okay, the first answer is all of you right now marble, and it is using now for flooring. And second is granite. It is using now for making stairs, and your kitchen platform also we are using now. When we are making our kitchen platform, that time you see now in your kitchen platform this hard rock, it is granite. Then move to second is two ways to getting water from under the ground to digging wells and to boring hand pumps. Okay, here likhiye hand pumps, hand pumps and wells. To digging wells we get underground water. Then third is gases present in the air. Air is a mixture of different kinds of gases. Only you have to write now two gases. Question number 3 is, first is oxygen. We take this gas, oxygen gas. Then second is, all of you write now carbon dioxide, nitrogen, any gas you have to write now. Here I mention now nitrogen. Or all of you learn now the spelling of these words. Okay, this is very important for your exam. Next question is, the items that should be in first aid box. Anything like that, Dettol, antiseptic lotion, anything. Here I mention now Dettol and cotton also. You all of you take now some syringe, different things. All of you. Okay, beta. In next class we will do the next remaining part from this test paper. Okay. This remaining part, this is the name the following question. This part and last is true false. This two part we will do the in next class. And this is my request beta. Very few number of students are watching my video. Why beta? Because your classes is going on online classes and all of you watch my all videos. This is very good for you, and your examination is coming soon in March month, maybe in first week. So be careful for that. Okay beta, till then have a nice day.